Most people think staying hydrated is simple, just drink more water. But what if I told you that water is actually one of the least effective ways to hydrate your body, and that some natural drinks can keep you hydrated for hours longer than water ever can? Today I am going to rank the top 5 natural hydrating drinks, and you will be shocked when you see what number 1 is. This video has 3 parts: how to tell if a drink is hydrating, drinks that hydrates you, top 5 natural hydrating drinks rank-wise. Before we start, let me ask you something simple. Have you ever drank a lot of water yet still felt thirsty a few minutes later, or needed to pee immediately? That's not your fault. That's because pure water moves through your body too fast. It enters your stomach, it lacks electrolytes, it cannot hold onto your cells properly, and your body throws it out. But hydration is not about how much water you drink. It's about how much water your body can hold. And that depends on one thing: electrolytes. Sodium, potassium, magnesium and chloride. This mineral decides whether water goes into your cell or straight into the toilet. In this video, we will learn the simple science of hydration. You will understand which drink keep water inside your body, which one hydrates you, and the top 5 natural hydrating drinks ranked from worst to best. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to drink to stay hydrated, look better, think clearer, and even perform better in the gym. Now let's start the first part: how to tell if a drink is hydrating. There are 3 parts in it. Part A: the simple science of hydration. Hydration is not only about water. Your body needs water plus electrolytes together. Think of electrolytes as tiny keys that unlock your cell doors. Without them, water cannot enter your cells. It stays outside and your body pushes it out as urine. Inside your cells, the balance between sodium and potassium controls where water moves. Sodium pulls water outside the cell, potassium pulls water inside the cell. Your body needs both in the right amount, like teammates passing a ball. If a drink has these minerals, it hydrates better. If it has none, like plain water, it hydrates badly. Why? Because the water just moves straight through you. Your cells cannot grab it. Part B: why water is not a good choice alone. Water sounds healthy, but when it enters your stomach, it dilutes your blood. Your brain senses this drop in salt and sends a signal to your kidneys: push the extra water out. You pee it out first. If you drink too much water at once, you can even get hyponatremia. That's when your sodium level drops so low that your cell swells. In several cases, it's deadly. Athletes in marathons have fainted or even died because they drank only water. This is why water works only when you sip slowly and pair it with salt or food. Without minerals, water is weak. With minerals, water becomes powerful. Part C: the simple test to know if a drink hydrates. A drink hydrates well if it has sodium, potassium, magnesium, a little natural sugar, a little protein. A drink does not hydrate well if it has too much sugar, too much caffeine, alcohol, zero electrolytes. Part 2: drinks that dehydrates you. These are mostly 3: sugary drinks, caffeinated drinks, and alcohol. Sugary drinks. Drinks with a lot of sugar like soda, packaged juice, or energy drinks pull water out of your cell because sugar needs water to dissolve. Your body moves water from your cells into your stomach to dilute the sugar. Caffeinated drinks. Coffee and strong tea can make you pee more because caffeine speeds up your kidneys. It does not hydrate you fully, but too much caffeine means you lose extra water. Alcohol. Alcohol is the worst. It blocks the hormone that tells your kidneys to hold water. This is why after drinking alcohol, you pee frequently and wake up thirsty. It's also why hangovers happens. Healthxmaxx myth: drinking blood. Some influencers say animal blood hydrates the best with all its nutrients, but blood carries bacteria, viruses, parasites, and is medically unsafe. Unless you wanna end up in hospital, don't drink it. Though some people don't easily get sick fast by drinking blood, but that doesn't mean you should consider drinking it. Part 3: top 5 natural hydrating drinks. Number 5: fruit juice. Juice has water, potassium, and natural sugar. The sugar helps your intestine absorb water faster, but too much sugar slows you down. It hydrates similar to water unless mixed with salt. A small glass is fine, a large one is too sugary. Number 4. Coconut water. Coconut water is filled with potassium and some sodium. It hydrates as well as a sport drink but with less sugar. It's great after sweating, exercising or in hot weather. It won't magically hydrate better than everything, but it's safe natural choice. Now why coconut water is better than fruit juice? Fruit juice has very high sugar which leads to slow water absorption, causes sugar pool which means water leaves cells to dilute sugar, good potassium but zero sodium, hydrates similar to plain water unless mixed with salt. Coconut water has low sugar which leads to faster absorption, contains potassium and some sodium, closer to a natural electrolyte drink, causes less gastric upset than juice. So, coconut water has a better electrolyte profile and less sugar, which leads to faster and deeper hydration than juice. Number 3. Herbal broth or soup. Light salty broth hydrates extremely well. It has sodium, some potassium, amino acid and warm water that your stomach absorbs easily. Cultures use broth when people are sick because it replaces both water and salt. Why broth is better than coconut water? Coconut water has high potassium, low sodium, good for light hydration, hot weather, mild exercise. Herbal broth soup is rich in sodium which pulls water into the bloodstream. Warm liquids empty from stomach faster which leads to quicker absorption. Contains amino acids which slows how fast water leaves body. Helps maintain blood volume better than coconut water. So the coconut water hydrates cells well, but broth hydrates the bloodstream more effectively because of sodium. This makes broth stronger during illness, sweating, dehydration or winter. Number 2. Milk. Milk is one of the best hydrating drinks ever studied. It has sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium and protein. These nutrients slow down how fast water leaves your stomach. Studies show milk keeps you hydrated longer than water or sports drink. Why milk is better than broth? Broth has great sodium, decent potassium, fast absorption. Milk contains sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium. Has protein which slows gastric emptying, which means water stays longer. Studies show milk leads to less urine loss than broth, coconut water, juice, sports drink and water. Milk keeps hydration inside the body for much longer. It's the best single ingredient drink for hydration. Number 1. The most hydrating natural drink. Diluted milk with a pinch of salt. Milk stays inside your body longer because the protein slows digestion and the natural minerals keep the water locked in your cells. But diluted milk with a teeny pinch of salt beats every natural drink because it hydrates on 3 levels at once: water volume, electrolytes, and slow release absorption. The salt provides sodium which pulls water into the bloodstream and instantly fixes low electrolyte dehydration, something plain water can't do. The milk provides protein and sugar which slows down gastric emptying. This means the water drips slowly into your body instead of flushing out, so hydration lasts for hours. It also contains potassium, calcium and magnesium, so your cells get a balanced mineral profile rather than just sodium alone, making hydration more stable. The osmolarity of diluted milk is extremely close to the body's natural fluid level, so the body stores it instead of immediately urinating it out. Even athletes who hydrate scientifically use a combination of protein, electrolytes and water for long-lasting hydration. Diluted milk with salt naturally does that formula. It does not spike natural sugar, it does not hydrate later like sugary fruit juices, and it does not pass too quickly like coconut water. Now, why diluted milk plus salt is better than milk? Milk is the strongest single natural drink, but slightly too much sugar, protein and fat slows digestion a bit. Diluted milk with a pinch of sugar cuts the heaviness of milk, reduces total sugar concentration which leads to absorb faster, adds a controlled amount of sodium which improves water retention, keeps milk potassium, magnesium, calcium and protein, hydrates both fast and long just like an ORS formula but still natural. This becomes the ultimate natural hydration drink, basically a natural electrolyte protein saline mix. So here's the truth, hydration is not about drinking more water, it's about drinking the right fluids Drinks that help your cells hold water instead of losing it. Sugary drinks, alcohol, and too much caffeine pull water out of your body. But milk, broth, coconut water, and juice, these give you cells the mineral they need to stay hydrated. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more science-backed ranking videos like this, subscribe. It helps me more than you think. This is Healthxmaxx. Thanks for watching.